Hello all, this is yet another video on an Excel tip. So what we are going to see today is the go-to special feature available in Excel. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe it for further videos on Excel. So this is the data in front office. So for instance, these are the people belonging to Chennai, but if you see the location is spelled out only in the first cell. So the requirement is that you need to get the location Chennai updated for all these people. And similarly, Pune for these people, Kolkata for these people, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and so on. So how can you do it? Uh, that is a simple way. So you can click on Chennai and then double click on it. It will fill in this data. And you can click on Pune and double click on it. It will fill in this data. Or you can try another option wherein you can select these cells and then click on Control D. This will work. But in this case, we have about 5 or 6 cities alone. So you can do it manually. So what if you have about 50, 60, or maybe even 100 cities? Then it's not going to be a easy task. So for that, you can use this go to special option. So how do you do it? Select this data alone, and then the shortcut for opening go to special is Control G, and then click on special. Now click on blanks alone. What this will do is this will select the cells which are blank, right? So click OK, and now you need to enter the formula equal to enter the cell above. So in this instance, Chennai is in C2. Now you need not sorry, you should not hit enter. You need to use this option control plus enter. So if you do this, the data will be filled in for all the cells which are blank in this particular table, right? So this is the first option we are seeing. So the second one is that deleting rows, right? So again, this is a similar table which has about 130 rows, of which there are multiple rows which are blank. So you can select each row and then right click and delete it, or use the shortcut control minus and delete it. But if you have like 2000, 3000 rows of data, of which like 500, 600 are blank, then it is not going to be easy for you. So what you can do is, again, you can utilize this go to special option. So you need to select these columns first and then go to Control G, click on special, again use the option blanks. So what this will do is this will select just the blank rows alone from this data, and then you can use the shortcut control minus entire row. And if you see, scroll down and see, it would have cleared only the rows which were blank. So the third tip that we are going to see today is, it's a similar data, but in this data you have a few rows hidden. For example, row number 9 is there and then 14 is there. Whatever is in between has been hidden. And similarly here, row number 83 and 90 is available. In between, whatever is there is been hidden. So if you want to copy this data and paste it somewhere else, what you will do, normally you will do a control A, control C, control V. But what that will do is, whatever data is hidden, even that will be copied and then pasted. Let's just check out. So control A, and I'm pasting it here. I'm pasting it here. If you see, the total number of rows available is 154, but what we selected is 140. So even the hidden rows have been selected here. So what we can do, let's clear this data out, and again control A. Instead of just copying, again use the go to special option control G. So what you need to do is click on visible cells only. So if you do this, it will copy the data from the cells which are visible alone. The hidden cells will not be copied. Now let's see. Control C. I'm pasting it. So if you see now, it would have copied just the 140 rows that was required. Whatever rows that were hidden were completely ignored. So this is the third tip. So fourth one we are going to do is copy text and numbers separately. So this is again a table where you have the data, text and numbers jumbled together. So how do you separate it? You cannot copy these two separately and then this one separately, again these two names separately and these three separately. No, that is not going to happen. It is going to take hell a lot of a time. So instead what you can do is, again, go to special, select the data, go to special, and here click on constants. And then first, if you are going to select numbers alone, just check numbers alone and then click OK. Now do a control C and control V. So this will give you the numbers alone. The text will not be copied. So now if you need the text, again same option, control G, go to special, constants. Now what we are going to select is text. Click OK, control C, control V. There you go. So this is how you can use go to special option for splitting, for copying text separately and numbers separately, even though both of them are available in the same column. So just again a reminder of how you are going, how we perform these activities. Just make a note of it in case if you are, if you want to recollect it. So thank you all. I hope this video would have been helpful. Please leave your comments in the feedback section. Thank you.